morning, and here we are at this beautiful beach, white sand and beautiful sea. So today we are finishing this Lofoten island trip and we will go with ferry down to south. But right now it's 7:30 and we're moving from this amazing location to explore more. Come along! So yeah, it's very nice beach also for surfers. And two is in the water. Oh, nice. Yeah, we saw on the side of the road very interesting thing. This is the fish heads hanging on the wood. I don't know what they are doing with this, but probably eating or maybe selling. Stopped at a very beautiful place. Actually, in one side, right here is yellow houses, and another side is red houses. And those two different houses separates only bridge. So it's very interesting. Also, today is very moody and cloudy day. Also, it's raining and air changing every minute. And it was very windy, and it's starting wind again and it's raining again, so we are moving forward and we need to check one more point, we need to check one more place, maybe two, and yeah. We just arrived at the last spot of the last hiking spot in this Lofoten Islands, and yeah, I think it would be about 1 hour one way, so about 2 hours both ways. Let's go! So we are here, our car is here, and the top of the hill is here. It was last step. I need to go like this to get to top. Okay. small dot right in this corner. I managed to climb it 1,500 steps and get on the viewpoint and actually on the whole hilltop. So yeah, and right now I'm getting down all these steps down. So here I am on this bridge. Oh, today it's very rainy. I'm checking this mountain, but today it's very rainy and the fog is big, and right now it's starting raining. And yeah, we heading to the end of Lofoten.